The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, in collaboration with French Embassy, has organized an interactive session with the faculty and students of the university aimed at enlightening the students about the numerous opportunities they can exploit while studying in France. The program, which was held on Thursday, the 15th of June 2023, featured a presentation on promoting French higher education by the Science and Higher Education Attaché, Professor Sébastien Bade. He said the idea behind the program was to give the students some insights on how to study in France at the master's and PhD levels. According to him, there are a wide range of academic programs which could be of great benefits to the students who want to study in France.
I started by saying that France is a small country when we see the figures about the higher education system, but it remains the biggest economic power in the world, thanks to this innovative system, thanks to higher education and research. And the big group, the companies, you may know Airbus, you may know Renault, Peugeot, and many more companies. So this is also a chance for you. Usually in French program, in public university, it's mandatory to do an internship from 2 to 6 months. And this is also a way to start to have the first professional experience within a French company. And here, French is mandatory. So it's important that you start now.
Professor Bade also took time to speak on how to apply and secure admission into universities in France, as well as how students could find scholarship to fund their studies. In his remarks, the founder and chairman governing council of the university, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gorzo, restated the commitment of the university to ensure that all students of MAAUN graduate as bilingual.
Like I said in the past, that best first student of France will be sponsored by the university to France. And if you work hard, we are assuring you that we are going to provide a space for you for your master's studies in France. When I was telling you, you should accept the bilingualism. Some of you are taking French for granted. That means you are taking your future for granted. Because any course you are doing in this prestigious university, if you want to internationalize yourself, you need to be bilingual.
He said as part of the effort to encourage the students to study French, 5 best graduating students would be given scholarship to pursue master's program in France, as there are a lot of international opportunities awaiting students who graduate as bilingual. You must not miss this future opportunity by continuing to learn this important language, which is French, he said.
It's very important for you, anything you are reading, like I always promote this journey. I'm always in promotion of this journey. I am not promoting this journey for France. No. I am promoting this journey for future of Nigeria. You shouldn't think I'm promoting this future for France. No, I'm not doing it for France. I am doing it for you. I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it for you. And also, it is very important that when you are doing your masters, you should change sometimes the location. Like most of you, our prayer is if you are going to do your masters, you should have European experience.
Earlier in his opening remarks, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, stressed the need for the students to make the best use of opportunities provided them by the university as to realize their dreams. He commended the founder of the university, Professor Gorzo, for providing an enabling environment for effective teaching and learning in the university. The program was conducted at the Professor Adamu Abubakar Rashid Twin Theatre, was attended by some management staff of the university, including the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, Director Academic Planning and Quality Assurance, Dr. Noura Eyaro, and Vice President Campus Life, Dr. Hamza Garba, among others.